beautiful people, easier one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My ogbonge people, to read up war again, to read up beke, my darling people. This one shocktalize me, my darling people. Not the way Musa no go see forget, not the way Musa no go see forget, really. My darling people, one man and the wife, they did together, everything they go well for them, everything they okay for them. Two of them marry, that they anytime when this man come up for house, a pastor, the woman pastor go suffer come house, he will come the jogodo with this woman, my darling people. So this man, they always they do this pastor. So the man wey married the woman don't know. So now what his wife they do if he come up for house. So this man come they do every time. This woman go after the man don't go work, the pastor will come house, come the jogo do the woman. So my darling people, I go put the video more on list, because sometimes I dey wonder for what they happen for this life now. I dey wonder sometimes because some men, some women, me I not understand them. What go make you now they cheat on your own husband? Me I don't know, my darling people. And I'm with pastor. Why it be say those pastors they always they like to they carry married women? Why they be like that for them? Me I don't know. Because every time now they say pastor, if they want jogodo, now married woman that they always the one carry for that their church. They not the one go for the normal people or young girls for their church. So married women. If you like say you get what they use and they do, my darling people. This man every time this pastor they call the jogodo kelewawa this woman all the time. So on that faithful day now, if you like say the man don't the suspect that your husband, so he come back pretend saying they go work that day. He can't come out. As he come out, then this woman call pastor again. Pastor come. As pastor just come now, two of the door pull cloth and the one start to the jogodo. Now the man just open door. As the man just open door, now this man and this pastor and this woman they can't meme the man. My people, they can't meme the man. As the payment demand finish, they can't do like say not be they do So ever since police they investigate, say they must find out what payment this man. So this man not just payment just like that. He get a B. They must make sure say they find that what really payment this man. Now they can't they do my darling people. They say they must make sure say they find that what really payment the man. Now they come finally. Now they come finally. My darling people, in fact, my first put the video more on wash. Then I'll come tell you now what happen.
Court held that the DNA test conducted on the child of the woman and first defendant, Enobong Isoguyo, who was pregnant when her husband was killed, shows that the pastor was 99.9% the father. Hence, the conspiracy to kill the woman's husband in order to cover her infidelity. The court said the defendant, Pastor Prince Udoka, confessed to have connived with the second defendant to kill her husband, Victor Isoguyo, stating that it was the first defendant that led the police to the scene of the crime where the deceased was burned to death. The court also held that the evidence of the son of the deceased implicated the accused persons in the death of the deceased. According to the court, the evidence of the second defendant and wife of the deceased and that of the first defendant, the pastor, of whom she was having an affair, also implicated them in the murder of the deceased. Justice Imadegbelo said the first defendant made confessional statement that the bones in his hands were sustained when he was setting the deceased ablaze after he initially contradicted himself to have sustained it when trying to make tea. In her judgment, the trial judge, Justice Geraldine Imadigbelu, sentenced the first and second defendants to death by hanging after finding them guilty of conspiracy and murder. Justice Imadigbelu also sentenced the third and fourth defendants, Christopher Odiase and Ame Osemehai, to 1 year in prison or pay a fine of 50,000 naira each for conspiracy, as well as 2 years in prison or pay 100,000 naira fine for forgery of the deceased vehicle documents in the first defendant's pastor's name. State Counsel Barrister Efe Agboboa, brother and friend to the deceased, comment on the judgments.
You heard the judgment, you heard the judge read the judgment. So we just thank God that the case has finally come to an end.
Give glory to God. I also thank the judiciaries for the judgment that they passed. At least other people will take lessons. That whoever that die by sword or killed by sword should die by sword. So I'm also happy. I'm very, very happy.
I want to thank God and also thank the entire members of Peace Social Club of Nigeria, which President Isogoyo, the late colleague, was the vice president. It has been a long struggle, and today, collectively, we are happy and we give God the glory that we've seen judgment at the end.
The deceased, Engineer Victor Gabriel Isoguyo, until his death was a senior staff of NNPC. He was killed on 29th November 2013. Sharon Ajayi reporting.
I told my dog listen say pastor finally the police people finally catch the people after enough investigation. They can find out say this woman and this man like this woman and the pastor like the husband, you know. So they can finally find out. And when they can find that, even the pikin where the man, the pikin where the man feel say na him get that pikin since the man will die. Could you believe say that pastor even get the pikin? The pikin where the woman born for the man. And that pastor even get her. My darling people, things they happen for this world though. Things they read they happen. Sometimes with some kind of things where you go see, sometimes you go the thing go you shock lies. The thing go shock you, say things they happen, no. Things they read they happen. You can imagine. Person wey feel say na him get pikin, you can't find that not being even get am. The man, pikin when the man even feel say na him not being him own. Some women wicked though. Some women really wicked, really. Some women they really wicked. I just wanna see what happen for the video. Things they happen, no. Especially they pray say make you not marry bad man. Now some man they pray say me not marry bad woman because bad women full everywhere. They full everywhere. Okay, wait till we come make this woman now treat this man like this. Wait till the man do am. We can't treat him like this with pains. Can't go they carry pastor. So to una meme your own husband because of pastor. And they investigate since this one not great talk. Now they can finally open up, say na 2 of them meme the man, my people. Now say man I can't tell you na my bonga people more na listen to say things they happen for this world though. Things they really happen, really things they happen. So one have to be really prayerful because may not go marry bad woman like this kind of woman so because who marry this kind of one I not go to say get you know go to say get a wife this kind of bad woman like this so you know. So I just shocktalized when I see him now. Say I can't share am with you now. Mona hear the latest gist on town, the latest wey just dey happen so my darling people. I fear who not fear that woman. I fear who not fear am. So you wey wan watch this video, abeg get me share am. Share the video, let the video go viral so that people go hear wetin dey happen for the world because some women they reach wey person go dey fear. You go even see them spit, you run because some women really dey wicked. And all those pastors them, me I no understand una. God no go call una. Una say na God na he call una. God no, you no carry phone call una. I don't fit tell una say very soon I go soon tell me the God where they call una. Because our God can never call a fake pastor like una. They can never call fake people like una. They can never. Because I know say our God can never do anything we not correct. And our God go come call this kind of pastors there. That lie, e no dey possible. E no dey possible, my darling people. So this one, fear me. A pastor connive with another person's wife because you want go jogodo am because of bekus. Una kill the man. You even the jogodo the bekus not see reach you. Una can't see me the man. E no good. E no good. My darling people, I beg anybody wey see this video, help me share and make the video go viral so that maybe people hear wetin dey happen for the world. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. And remember your one and only Lady Joe. And anything you think about the video, you leave your comment for the comment section. Then we will go from there. Thank you. Bye.